Hi, my name's Booker with Shelterbelt LLC. We've been stomping weeds and planting trees in Whatcom County since 2003. We do native plant revegetation and restoration, noxious weed management, erosion control, reforestation, and all that jazz. We love working with native plants to enhance and restore natural places, especially along the edges between the natural areas and the built environment. I feel like we got the best job in the world. We get to work outside every day of the year. Rain or shine, hot or cold, wet or dry, mostly wet. We get to drive around in big 4x4 pickup trucks full of great tools like steel brush cutters, weed wrenches, forestry tree planting spades, and all manner of implements of destruction. I feel like our work is beneficial for songbirds and pollinators and salmon and people. Perry Pallet is our go-to for wood chip mulch. We use a ton of that product. It's a beautiful mulch product. It's completely weed seed free. It's excellent for suppressing weeds. It's great for helping your native plants grow. It's lightweight and easy to move. And Perry Pallet has small trucks and big trucks and giant trucks. They bring us a load wherever we need it, whenever we need it. They got the best service in the county.